Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you where else you can actually use Mad Adder. So, you can do this to any page. We're just going to pick this page right here, Elementor, because we're just picking up from the last video. So we're just going to use this page, Elementor, but literally you can pick any page, like any business page that is capable of running ads, you can pick that page. We're just going to pick Elementor because it's easy in this video. You just keep in mind, you can pick any page that you want, okay? So you're going to go to the Facebook page. Once you get to the Facebook page, you're going to come down here to where it says Page Transparency. Do you see this? Maybe you can't see it very easily. Now you can see it. You see over here where it says Page Transparency. You're going to click on this thing that says See All on Page Transparency. And then once you click on this thing that says See All, you're just going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to click on this thing that says Go to Ad Library. So now you're going to go to the Ad Library. What this is going to do, this is actually going to just open up the Ad Library and show you all the ads that this page is running, okay? So now you can see all the ads that this page is running, and as you look here on this page, you can see these little buttons, right? See these little buttons that aren't normally there? These are the Mad Adder buttons, okay? They're not the big blue buttons like show up on your news feed. These are the actual Mad Adder buttons on the page library. So now if you want to go through and actually start adding these, then you can actually add those. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come over here. We're going to come back up here and we're just going to type in, let's say, Russell Brunson. Says apparently he's an entrepreneur. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of him. He's got a blue tick. This is a page. 660,000 people like this. So we're going to go to his page. Here's his page. Hey, Russell, how you doing? He's got a nice smile on his face. Alright, so we're going to go to his page, and we're going to basically do the same thing. We're going to scroll down to his page. We're going to scroll down on his page. We're going to come to Page Transparency over here. We're going to click See All. Once we click See All, we're going to just scroll down to where it says Go to Ad Library. We're going to click on Go to Ad Library. We're going to open up the Ad Library. Now, once we open up the Ad Library, again, you can see over here, okay, you can see over here, here are some Mad Adder buttons where if you want to save these ads to Mad Adder, you can save these ads to Mad Adder. So let's go ahead and save one. We're just going to save this one right here, and then we're going to hit yes, okay? So the big thing I want you to realize about this, whenever you save these ads from here, as you can see here in the ads library, maybe you can see, maybe you can't see, here in the ads library, if you look, you're not going to get any information, as far as how many people have commented on this ad, how many people have liked this ad. Facebook doesn't give you that information in the ads library. So for ads that you save from here in the ads library, you are not going to see that information in your ads library in Mad Adder because there's no way for us to actually get this information. Okay, so any ads that you save from somebody's ads library, you will get the information of the ad and all that good stuff, but you're not going to get how many comments that there are or anything like that because Facebook just doesn't give the information right there. Okay, so I usually don't use this area over here. I usually personally only use what's in my newsfeed. But if you want to use this area, you can. Again, you're just going to click on the Mad Adder button, and then you're going to click yes. And then you can see it didn't take it near as much time here because there's not near as much information that we actually have to get. So like I said, again, just keep in mind, if you're adding the ads from the ads library, from somebody's ads library, from their page transparency, you're not going to get access to how many reactions there are and how many comments and what the oldest comment date is because Facebook doesn't actually provide that information. So if you want that information, just stick with ads that you see on your actual news feed, okay? But this is another place where you can go in and you can add ads to your ads library from here. And the next few videos, I'll show you how to access your ads library, where do all these things go once you add them, and then how to even export them and download them or put them someplace that's shareable in real time.